The Levy will support 100% of all athletic costs. So that ranges from our equipment to our travel costs to coaches and our coaching stipends. And so there's 137 coaches across middle school and high school sports. And it also helps with facilities and maintenance. Sports are a fantastic experience for kids. Not only do they get to bring home the experiences of winning games and bringing home league titles and district titles and being with their teammates and the team dinners and all of the fun experiences that comes with athletics, but they also get to learn a lot of life skills that they will take for the rest of their lives. They have to be a student athlete first. They have to be on time, they have to be organized, they have to know when to get their homework done, they have to learn time management, they have to learn teamwork. Besides just being student athletes and being in the classroom, it'll help them whatever career that they decide to go down in the future. And just having those skills that they've learned through athletics and be able to apply that to real life is a direct parallel, and I think it's really important for the student experience. So please get out there and vote. It's really important to not just the students that are involved in athletics at Wenatchee High School, but the future of athletics and also the school district, the school, and the rest of the community.